Hi guys, welcome back. This is Akshata. In my last video, I have given some basic concept of physiology and also we discussed the definition of digestion. If you haven't watched it yet, I have given the link in my description box. I would recommend you to watch it before watching this video. In this video, we will be discussing the structure of digestive system. So without wasting time, let's get started. The human digestive system consists of alimentary canal and also associated exocrine glands. Alimentary canal is also known as gut or gastrointestinal tract, and the associated exocrine glands are digestive glands. Let's see the structure of digestive system. In this diagram, we have orange part, right? This orange part is the alimentary canal, and blue and the purple part are the associated digestive glands. Okay, so this alimentary canal is tubular structure measuring about 9 meters in length, which includes mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Okay. So we have liver and the pancreas. These are the associated digestive glands. Which are the associated digestive glands? The liver and also the pancreas. Remember, food enters only through the alimentary canal. It will pass only through the alimentary canal. It will not enter into the associated digestive gland. This associated digestive gland will secrete some secretion. These secretions will contribute for the digestion of food material. Okay. So let's see each and every part of the alimentary canal and also the associated exocrine glands in detail. Let's start with mouth. Mouth or buccal cavity. Mouth is an inward opening guarded by lips that leads to the buccal cavity. Look into this diagram. We have, see, this is the mouth, which actually what inward opening into the buccal cavity. Okay, this is guarded by upper lip and also the lower lip. Mouth is guarded by the two lips, that is upper lip and also the lower lip, which leads into the cavity. That cavity we call it as buccal cavity. Let's see what is buccal cavity. What are the structures we have in buccal cavity? Buccal cavity is again guarded by upper jaw and lower jaw, right? We have upper jaw and also lower jaw in buccal cavity, and cheeks on the sides. We have cheeks on the sides, and tongue on its floor and palate on its roof. Okay, so roof of the buccal cavity is composed of palate and floor is the tongue. Okay, this palate is again divided into two parts, that is anterior hard palate and posterior soft palate. Anteriorly it is hard, that is why it is called hard palate, and posteriorly it is soft, that is why. Tongue is the muscular organ composed of skeletal muscle. Remember, this is the only skeletal muscle which is not attached to any of the bone. Okay, it has number of projections called papilla. In tongue we have number of projections, right? So those projections are the taste buds. Tongue is the gustatoreceptor. What is gustatoreceptor? Gustatoreceptor is nothing but this is the organ which actually sends the taste of the food, whether taste of the food. Okay. So in buccal cavity, we also have epiglottis, the structure known as epiglottis. Epiglottis is an cartilaginous lid closes the opening of trachea when food is being swallowed. So this is what epiglottis is. Let's see the function of this epiglottis. Epiglottis is a cartilaginous lid. Means what? It is made up of cartilaginous tissue, right? So let's see the function of this epiglottis. Look into this diagram. Here we have pharynx. Pharynx is the common passage for air and also food. Here we have nasal chamber, alright. So here is the buccal cavity. So through the nasal chamber air enters and through the buccal cavity food enters. So this common passage we call it as pharynx. So epiglottis is here only. Epiglottis is located here. So let's see what is the function of that epiglottis. Since it is the common passage for food and air, there is a chance where the food can enter into the larynx, right? So this larynx will lead to the lung. Lung is not a digestive organ. So to avoid that, we have epiglottis here. What will this epiglottis do? Epiglottis will close the opening of trachea. This will close the opening of trachea so that food can enter only into the esophagus, right? So this will close the opening of trachea so that the food from the buccal cavity can enter only into the esophagus. And also it closes the esophagus while respiring, while inhaling. Okay, this alternative closing and opening of this esophagus and larynx, that is food pipe and also windpipe, uh, to make sure that food is entering through the esophagus and air is entering through the larynx, we have epiglottis, right? So this epiglottis actually plays a very crucial role so that food can enter into the esophagus and can enter into the stomach and rest of the organs, and air can enter into the larynx, that is food windpipe, and can enter into the lungs for respiration. Okay, so this is all about the buccal cavity. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel for more updates. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please let me know in the comment section. So I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye.